What's up, guitar players? Let's check out today's scar tissue focused exercise. Today we're continuing to dial in the skills used in the famous intro. Yesterday was devoted to accuracy. Today is all about getting comfortable strumming these two-note deconstructed chord shapes. This is a huge aspect to playing this song well. And a quick reminder, you need to look at videos of Frusciante playing this song. There will always be subtle differences in the way that he plays it. So you might get a slightly different tone or sound when you do as well. Don't focus too much on being a carbon copy of the recording. The way you strum this might be a little bit different, but that is all good for real. Unlike yesterday, we're basically playing the song the way it's supposed to be. If you haven't checked out that lesson, which is just part 1, I would do that before jumping in here. All that John Frusciante is doing here is deconstructing the F, C, and D minor bar chord shapes and playing just 2 strings. In a way, it becomes this cool trick because as we strum it, the way you have to hold your fingers to just get those 2 notes ends up muting the unwanted strings. That doesn't mean you shouldn't focus up when you're playing, but it is possible that this will feel really natural. So really quick, we're playing those first 2 notes with our index and ring finger, and then we're swapping for our index and middle finger. So rip into this now that you've got yesterday's lesson under your belt and have some fun. And stay tuned for the upcoming sessions this week as we'll be going over all the components of scar tissue.